Supervison McAvoy here, and today we are at our campfire again. And if you guys can't guess, this isn't going to be any ordinary fire. Please pour some gasoline. And of course, we're just not going to light that normally. That would be way too dangerous. So we're going to do it with the firework.
Okay. Back up a bit.
You ready? One. No!
And he missed!
Oh. Didn't even have to go in. That's a nice signal fire. That's probably a better idea anyway, having it just... It's a lot of smoke. Well, that's how you start a fire, guys.
That's how you start a fire here in Nova Scotia.
So, yeah, if you want to see more, hit the like button down below. This has been our daily vlog, since we haven't had any other things to do today. And we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.